Hi, this is Kenyon from Little Giant Ladder Systems. Today we're going to demo the cargo hold. The cargo hold is another great accessory to hold tools and equipment at the top of a number of our multi-purpose ladders so that you have your hands free to actually get the work done. The cargo hold is designed with a divider in the middle so that you can put tools or equipment up here at the top with you. You'll notice that there are even bungees to hold small tools, whether they're screwdrivers or a small wrench. And on the outside, both the left and the right have a pocket so that you could hang cell phones or other tools that you need at hand. A belt loop here will hold a hammer or other tools off to the side. It's designed with these two bales so that you can put it in between your multi-purpose ladder. And that way, if your tools are nestled at the bottom, you can store them as you store your Little Giant ladder. With bales on both the left and the right, of course, you can hang it off to the side of the ladder, and that way tools are always within arm's reach, so you can concentrate on the job at hand. And a couple of quick reminders here, of course, always choose the right ladder for the job, set it up correctly, maintain 3 points of contact when you're climbing up or down any ladder. This is the cargo hold by Little Giant Ladder Systems.